Hello my good friends, welcome back to Pinch's class, and today I'm going to take you through sound P. Sound P. 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 Sound P comes from letter P. Yes, sound P comes from letter P. Now let's look at the blends for sound P. We have pa, we have pay, we have per, we have pe, we have p, we have p, we have pie, we have po, we have po, we have pa, and poo. Yes. Now let's look at the word formation. Even in this case, we have some sounds which are silent. We are not supposed to pronounce them. So let's look at the words. We have pa, pa, and that gives us pan. Yes. Then we also have pot, 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 a pot. Then we have late, and the last sound is silent. So we get plate, 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 a plate. Yes. Then we have plant, plant, a plant. Then we have pen, pen, a pen which we used to write. Then pin, pin. Then the next one, puppy, puppy, a puppy. Yes, the young one of a dog is known as a puppy. And the last word for today is parrot, 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 a parrot. You know parrot? Yes, that bird there is known as a parrot. Let's now look at the sentences. A parrot is a bird. Did you know that? A parrot is a bird. Then we eat plants, but of course not all of them. We eat plants. And the last one, a puppy is a small dog. A puppy is a small dog. And that's it for sound P. Remember to practice. Yes, remember to practice. I see you in our next video, and for now we're saying ciao ciao.